Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, if you notice, I'm in a different location. I'm actually literally just sitting in my car. I was running some errands and I have picked up my box, my FabFitFun box for my sister, and I thought I would come on here and film a what's in my winter box because I'm super excited to dive in and start using some of the different items that's actually in here. So for FabFitFun, if you guys don't know what FabFitFun is, basically what it is, it's a subscription service. It comes out roughly about 4 to 5 times a year, and it's basically a subscription service that is catered to individuals who are really into beauty, lifestyle, and also fitness. And so there's always a variety of different products, and a lot of times the products that are in each box that comes out each season, it really ranges anywhere between, I would say, $275 to up to maybe $350 in terms of products that you get to try out, and they're actual like full size bottles that you can try. They're not like little trial size bottles or anything like that. And FabFitFun, like I said, it comes out 4 times a year, sometimes 5, depending on if you decide to get the editor's box. So basically what that means is it comes out spring, summer, fall, winter, and then they also have an editor's box, which basically showcases the best products or like the favorites from throughout the year. So I have been getting FabFitFun basically for the last 2.5 years. I started getting the subscription service around spring. I think it was spring of 2016. So coming up on almost 3 years next spring. And so I feel like I got a really good feel of this particular subscription boxes. And I don't do subscription service. It's just not really my thing, but something really intrigued me to give this a shot 2 years ago. And I mean, like I said, I've been purchasing it every single season. I'm not affiliated with FabFitFun. I don't work directly with them. I'm just a customer who happens to like their product. So the first thing that you're going to see when you open up FabFitFun, you're going to see a magazine, and basically the magazine, it just says FabFitFun, and it usually has different things in here. This particular season, it has Brooke Burke on here. And so basically what this is, this magazine, when you open it up, it will kind of give you guys a description of every item that's in this box. It'll tell you what the description is and also what the value of it is, so you can really see how much this costs. I did forget to mention that for this subscription service, it is $49.99 each season that you get it. However, they do have usually like a discount code on your first box in which you could get it for $39.99. So definitely, if you are interested, see if you can find somebody who has a discount code, and then you could go ahead and definitely, try it out for $39.99 as opposed to the $49. So the first thing I see when I open up this box is a HelloFresh, and this looks like it is a gift card valued at $60. And yeah. So if you don't know what HelloFresh is, basically it allows you to choose like different types of recipes, and then they send you the food. So it's like homemade meal service basically is what HelloFresh is. So I'm excited to try that out because I haven't tried this one out yet. I've tried a couple of other meal services out there, so I'm going to definitely try that out. All right, so the first thing I see in here is called Smongel, and this is a body contouring buffer with the built-in cleanser. Oh my God, this just smells so good. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like up close. That is what it looks like right in here. And it just says all-in-one beauty treatment, helps smooth out areas prone to cellulite, which I need. Body wash and a buffer all in one. Cleanse, exfoliate, and massage all in one. It contains extracts of coffee and sea kelp. So let's see how much this is valued at, because it tells me in this booklet how much each item cost. And let's see if I can find it. Huh. Is it in here? Chic and Tone, Bite, Beauty. I don't see it in my box. That's weird. Okay, very cool. Like this one is not even in, like when I'm looking at, it tells me all the items right in here. This particular item, it must be just a freebie that they included in my box. Oops, I totally just dropped that right there. Yeah, I guess this is a freebie. because it's not even included. So already you get a product that's not even included in this month's box right in here, which is very cool. And this box is supposed to be valued at anywhere between $290 to $335. So already got a freebie product that's not even included. So I'm going to set that right there. Next thing I'm going to grab is this Moroccan Gold Series. It is a treatment mask. Ooh, I love a good treatment mask. I really try to mask my hair all the time, at least once a week. And this one says intense care for dry and damaged hair, pure argan oil. It is made with Moroccan argan oil and keratin. Sulfate free, which I love hearing that. And this is what this product looks like right in here. And it looks like this particular product, it is known to help with split ends, strengthen hair, make your tresses more manageable. Yeah, this one is valued at $49. Wow, that's an expensive mask. $49 for a mask. So already the box is $49.99. This mask, if I was to buy this outside, is $49. So already this one product already covers what the whole box goes for. I can't wait to try this. I mask my hair once a week and I do suffer from dry hair, especially during the winter months. So definitely going to try that out. Okay, next item I'm just going to grab right here. This is Elevate. It says 2 essential oils, eucalyptus and sweet orange. And this has coconut and jojoba oil. So let's see, how much is this valued at? Right in here, it says, these oils can be applied directly to your skin. Eucalyptus helps with sore muscles and cold symptoms. Sweet orange eases stomach cramps and headaches. And I suffer from headaches, so that should be perfect. This product right in here, I'm going to show you again what it looks like up close. This one product is valued at $31. So definitely going to be trying this product because I do suffer from headaches and I'm willing to try anything that works. So next item I'm just going to go through here and grab. This is Ahava. And I've tried this brand before. They actually had a hand cream in one of their previous season's boxes. But this is a hydration cream mask. And in here the description says, it is made with mineral spring water, shea butter, vitamin E. It says this rich, creamy mask softens and smooths the skin while providing intense hydration and comfort. This right here is valued at $33. And this is what, I don't know if it's going to show because my screen is probably blowing it out a little bit. Right in here. That is what it looks like. And again, this product is valued at $33. Next thing I have in here, what is this? This is called Black. It is an eye mask right in here. Oh, cool. Late nights, too many cheeky wines. Let's not forget the carb delights can keep our eyes not so fresh. Oh, perfect. Charcoal eye mask. That's what it is. So let's see how much this charcoal eye mask is. And let's see right in here. This one is valued at $29 and it helps with puffy or swollen eyes. And it looks like you get a total of 5 different individual wrapped eye masks. This one is called Purr. It says be your selfie eyeshadow palette. Let's open this up and see what kind of eyeshadows we have in here. I am an eyeshadow junkie. Ooh, I can't get it open. I'll use my keys. Use my keys to try to get the little tape off. Used to have an envelope opener, but I think I took it out. I need to get a new one for my car. Okay, so let's see what this looks like. Oh wow, these colors are really pretty. Oh yeah, these colors are gorgeous. So I'm going to just cover this up so you don't get the reflection and show you guys right in here what the palette looks like. So these are the colors. You can kind of see with the light coming in. Really pretty gold and shimmer and like some wine and berry colors. Gorgeous. This is really pretty. Definitely love these colors. I'm actually going to try it out on my hand and see if I like it. Maybe you guys could kind of see. Yeah, you can kind of see right there, especially that gold. Very pigmented too. So I'm excited to try this one out. And this compact right in here, this it's called Purr Be Your Selfie palette. This right here is valued at $36 right in here. And it states that it has 4 velvety matte shades and 5 shimmers to complement any eye color or skin tone. All right, so the next thing that I pulled out of here, it is a Punk Volumizer Mascara. And the color in this one is black. And let me see what the value is on this one right in here. And let's see. I don't think it's on here. Oh, wow. Yeah, it's not on here. Eye brightener. Nope. It's not on here. So this is another free product that's not even included in the actual like standard box. Okay, next item that's in here, it is by Orb. It's either Orb or Orbi. I'm not familiar with this brand, but it's called Gold Less Dry Shampoo. Dry shampoo to absorb buildup, oil, impurities while soothing the scalp and restoring strength and softness. This right here is valued at a total of $44. $44 for some shampoo, people. $44. I don't use dry shampoos. Yeah, I don't use dry shampoos. So I think I'm going to give this to one of my friends. I know she is a fan of dry shampoos, and I'm sure she probably would love to try this out. So yeah, really, I can't believe $44 for this. Crazy. All right, so the next item I picked up in here, this is by Thrive Cosmetics, and this is a highlighting stick. Oh, okay. Let's see what this says. This highlighting stick, it says infused with macadamia and metal foam oil. The silky champagne eye brightener instantly highlights and brightens your eyes. The value on this is $24. So let's check this out. Let's see. Highlighter. And this is, the color in this one's called Stella. Brightens, instantly highlights and brightens your eyes. Well, let's see. So I'm sitting here in my car and I do have a little bit of makeup on. I know I shouldn't use my hand, but I don't have all my brushes on me. Oh, I do like it though. I'll take it. It's very subtle. It's a very subtle shimmer. Yeah, I can actually say it. Very subtle shimmer. I don't know if you guys can see it. Maybe not. Kind of like right in there. But very subtle. Very cool. I love me a good brightening eye highlighter to kind of use under my eye area. And the last thing that's in here, it says Mark and Graham. Mark and Graham. So it says, let's see what this is, because I'm curious to see. Is this a scarf? I don't know what it is. Mark and Graham. It says it is actually a color block throw. You can either get it in the gray ivory, which is what I have. I have the gray ivory, which I'm a huge fan because I'm a huge neutral, like gray, white, taupe, black. Are my favorite colors to wear. Or you could get it in the natural ivory. It says cozy up with this woman throw stripe design. It has a fringe detail, and this is valued at $49. So let's see. Let's see what I want to open it up and see what it looks like. Oh wow, it is big. It's a really pretty throw. It's soft too. Wonder how big it is. It's kind of hard to do this in my car and see. Oh, it's not super big. I mean, it is folded. I don't really need throws just because I have a lot of throws around like my house. My mom knits blankets and stuff like that. And so I have a lot of knitted throws already. But this I honestly will use as a scarf because I'm always cold and I hate being cold. And especially my neck is always like cold. So I probably would do this kind of like a scarf and wear it that way. That's probably the way I would do it. A lot of the items that I got, I could tell you already what my favorite products are that I can't wait to try. This hair mask, cannot wait to try, especially for a $49 mask. I'm curious to see how this applies on my hair, so I'm super excited about that. The oils, definitely something I can use. This right here, you cannot go wrong with a great mask. I'm a mask junkie, so definitely that will be used very well. I'm excited about the eye mask because I definitely will use that. So I got a lot of stuff that I will use. The eyeshadow palette that I got, I love the colors in that. That's something definitely that will be used in here. I love the highlighter. That's definitely something that I will use. And I do like the freebie products that I got. I got this buffer, which will be used. The mascara definitely will be used. So I got a ton of makeup in this particular box this month. The only thing that I will not use is the dry shampoo, which I know this is probably an expensive brand that a lot of you guys know. I'm just not a dry shampoo person. So I probably will give that to, like I said, my friend. But all in all, for $49 to get all of these different products I have here in my hand, that's a pretty amazing deal. So definitely check out FabFitFun if you're interested in trying out a subscription service. All right, so that concludes this video. Hopefully you guys liked it. If you haven't checked out FabFitFun, make sure you guys go ahead and check it out. As far as videos, you guys should see this video hopefully soon. If you haven't checked out my latest video, it is on my Fendi Peekaboo Defender cover. Definitely check that out, especially if you're interested in seeing kind of like the ins and outs. I kind of went through and just answered a lot of people's questions regarding that particular item because I had gotten quite a few DMs in reference to how does it fit, kind of like, do I like it, do I think it's worth it? So I tried to answer all the questions that I've been getting through DM, so definitely check out that video. I'm also trying to get back onto a normal filming schedule, if that makes sense. So I did go ahead and film a couple of videos that I'm going to have up for you guys over the next couple of weeks. I think I'm going to just start releasing videos on Friday. I think that may be the easiest day for me to get videos up for you guys. So this particular video you guys should see going up on Monday evening, Tuesday, but my next video that you're going to see is going to go up on Friday, and that is going to be luxury items that I thought I would never buy, and that was a luxury tag started by the Chic Professor. So look forward to that video. I've already edited, so that should be up this Friday. And then also I have filmed a what's in my bag for my Dior saddlebag that's coming. And also later on this week, I am going to film my updated 2-year review on my Fendi Peekaboo Mini. So if you want to see how that bag has been holding up, wear and tear, I already did a pretty extensive review on that bag, but I'm going to go through and answer any questions that I've recently gotten. A lot of people ask me, do I like that bag, or how does it compare to the Capucine? So I'll definitely go through and answer all those questions. If you guys have any videos out there that you want me to film for you guys, or maybe if you notice I have anything that I've worn, or maybe on Instagram that you're curious, would like to hear my opinion on, please don't forget to comment down below. And yeah, so I hope you guys are having a great start to your week, and I will see you guys soon. Bye bye everyone.